Hey guys, welcome to another video on my channel, and today what we're going to show you is we're going to show you how to get Minecraft skins on Minecraft Pocket Edition. I'm just going to get straight into it because I hate watching tutorials where they don't get straight into it and there's a massive intro, so let's get straight in. The first thing you want to do is go onto the App Store and search up in the search bar Skinseed. So this is an app where I don't know if it's on Android, I haven't checked. So it's the first one there. It's like a green ogre thing, I don't know what it is. But you want to click on that and it has everything you'd want. So you download that. I will quickly check if it's on Android. It doesn't say. But it might be, I'm not sure, but it's definitely on iOS, what I'm filming on. So we're going to go on Skinseed. Welcome to Skinseed. It's going to give you this little tutorial of what you can do. But I'm going to show you how to get skins on Pocket Edition. It's going to ask me notifications. So you want to go on Wardrobe. You can search up a skin. Those are the community skins at the moment. There is some really, really cool ones. So let me just find one that I kind of like. We'll go this Archer here. And you get a choice, silk skinned or whatever. I'm going to pick classic. You do get an ad, which is a bit unfortunate. So you're going to get access to your photos and then it will export it to photos. Now what you want to do is go over to Minecraft. I will turn the camera around as well for this. So you're going to go to Minecraft. Just give it a sec to load. So what you want to do now, you want to click on Profile. You want to go to Create a New Character. And then there should be like an Import button. If you go to Costumes, Owned, Import, Create Character. And there should be a picture of your character all in bits. You get a choice of Classic or Slim Arms. And there you go. Your character is now in Minecraft. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. I'll never say that in my life again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, don't subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.